National Weather Service office in Brownsville, Texas. The preceding signal was a test of the NOAA weather radio warning device. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and the receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a quality receiver in good working order. To provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following Deep South Texas counties: Cameron, Willacy, Kennedy, Hidalgo, Brooks, Jimhog, Starr, and Zapata. Thank you for listening to Weather Radio, broadcasting. The National Weather Service in Brownsville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Brooks County in Deep South Texas until 3:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:58 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Val Farias Junior High School, or near Val Farias, moving southeast at 5 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Val Farias Junior High School, Pleasant Park, La Colonia Park, Airport Road Addition, Val Farias Fire Station, Floella, Brooks County Airport, Cantu Addition, and Brooks County Detention Center. This includes us Highway 281 between mile marker 710 and 718. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather